Today we're at Main Range National Park and we're going for a mad walk. So I got my camera, Ben Plant's here again, and let's head off.
All the pleasure, all the pain. Palm trees swaying in the rain. All those times we stayed in, the way the smoke would fill.
Sam and Tess, I bet they broke up.
Testing my patience, bitch. Right, we decided to do Gap Creek Falls, 9.2 kilometer return.
I haven't heard from you, it's been a long time. Know that I heard
So
you,
yeah,
stays on.
as you can see, we're right on the edge of this.
This is really dumb.
It's scary as. Alright, we're currently bush bashing. Where did it go? Spider web.
There.
Let's walk into it. Oh yeah. We're bush bashing currently to try and find a way down.
Take it back, I wouldn't hesitate. We never said goodbye, never said goodbye, baby.
So we're still currently scaling the side of a mountain trying to find a way down. No joke, we've been going for ages and like bush bashing. There's no tracks down here. No one's been down here before. Oh, that was an accidental picture.
Alright, look at what we are coming up onto. This is insane. We were standing at the top of this about an hour and a half ago. We've bush bashed, gone to this. Bush bashed, done some crazy stuff, and now we're pretty much... Look at this, it's like... Holy shit! Oh my god! You guys can't even see how big this is.
That's an easy 30 meters tall.
Dude, more than that. 30's
It's like not even the middle. It's like 100 meters. Dude, imagine a running 100 meters. It's easy
I'd say
that.
50.
No way.
It's harder to judge vertical.
The way the smoke would fill the room, and we'd be dancing in the clouds, like we had nothing to lose.
Dude, who cares if your socks get wet?
So let me make it right. I might have had my doubts, said some things I regret. If I could take it back, I wouldn't hesitate. We never said goodbye, never said goodbye, baby. What you been thinking about? You've been thinking about lately. No one worth the fight, no one worth the fight. So let me make it right. Never said goodbye, never said goodbye, baby. What you been thinking about? You've been thinking about lately. No one worth the fight, no one worth the fight. So let me make it right. So let me make it right.
Right, we're making our way back up now. We just finished swimming and we're going straight up the mountain. Last time we went kind of like around there. So this time, cut straight up the middle. So check this out. Alright, so we're back now to the top of the waterfall. That was crazy. We pretty much followed the path. Then we went, stuffed the path, went all the way around this, all the way up around there, down to the bottom of the waterfall, had a swim, went all the way back up the top, climbed like vertical straight back up.
Spider monkey on it.
Went spider monkey on it, and then on all fours, and then we climbed up, and now we're here. So the waterfall's just there. We're here. We got like a 4K walk back, like back to the car. So we will see you back at the car. 5 hours later, check out that view. Yeah, boy. Alright, so we're back now, and we're both pretty cooked. Like, my legs are actually rooted.
Way worth it.
Yeah, the views from the waterfall and going in the water was so good. even though it was like, what, like 10, 11K all up probably?
Oh,
probably
fuck.
more. It'd be about 15K.
And the climbing shit?
The
Oh,
climbing,
man.
we literally rock climbed for quite a while.
Yeah.
And we're back
I
to
was
the
on
car.
all fours, man, like a cat.
Yeah.
Boy, I bet I didn't even lock it. Nah.
Didn't even lock the car.
Fuck.
Thing's even gone. Shot everyone that didn't steal.
Yeah, shot people.
Shot everyone. So yeah.
Hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. There's a truck pulling up here. So we're gonna head off. Hope you enjoyed the vlog and subscribe, like, and yeah. Shout out to Ben Plant, shout out to Luke Radley. Ew.